What's going on, everybody? It's your girl, SnkrMom, and today I'm going to be reviewing a new Jordan 11 Cherry. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start out with the box. You got your same normal black and gray box. It has the Jordan and the Jumpman on top of the box. This side of the box, you have your Nike Air, nothing on this side. But then we're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Air Jordan 11 Retro, and the colorway is white, Varsity red, and black. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much nothing into the inside of the box. You got your, well, no stamp of approval, but you got your top of the box. Then you got this same black little tissue paper that they always put in Jordan 11 boxes. Overall, that's it. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video, and that is the Air Jordan 11 Cherry. Alright, first of all, I want to start off by saying it's a Jordan 11. I'm not going to sit here like I'm crazy about this colorway. I mean, it's red and black. I mean, red and white. But overall, I mean, it's clean. It's a Jordan 11, so you can't go wrong with it. But this is what we're getting from Jordan Brand this holiday season. As we all know, every holiday season, they bless us with some type of shoe. This year, most of the time, it's an 11. So we got the Cherry 11. I know we're used to the Cherry 11 lows that have came out back in 2016. But this year, 2022, we got the Cherry 11 highs. And like I said, it's not bad. It's a red and white. So let's go ahead and get into the details of the shoe. As you can see, pretty much you got the whole white mesh upper going across the whole upper of the shoe. You got this patent leather red coming across the whole midsole of the shoe, going throughout the whole shoe. Overall, clean. Like I said, it's an 11. You got the little Jordan hint right here on the tongue of the shoe. As we all know, nothing never comes on the top of the tongue. So you just got that all mesh white tongue on the front of the shoe right here. We're gonna flip to the side right here. You got the Jumpman stitched in the red stitching. Flipping to the heel of the shoe, you got that 23, that signature 23 that's always on the back of the heel right there in that white. Then you got that nice varsity red color on the back of the heel of the shoe. Patent leather coming all the way across the shoe. Going to the inside of the sock liner, as we all see, we got this all red sock liner, and then on the inside of the shoe, you got your white Jumpman symbol. I mean, a lot of people was complaining about the red sock liner, but to me, it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it might not have been bad if they would have put a white sock liner, even though we know that probably would have got a little dirty quicker than this red. But overall, it's not that bad, but it's okay. So we got that red sock liner. And you still got these regular, just white shoelaces, rope shoelaces, no extra laces, of course. You know, 11s usually don't come with extra laces. Then we're gonna go down here to the bottom of the midsole. You got this all white rubber. Flipping to the bottom where you got this icy white rubber on the bottom of the shoe. Then you got your hints of your red right here. And then you got that Jumpman right here on the bottom of the shoe also. Overall, like I said, clean shoe. I'm not gonna act like I was crazy about this, but my main one was the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. So this right here, I mean, I didn't have to have these. If I got them, I got them. If I didn't, I didn't. Of course, I didn't get my size because, like I said, I passed on them. I got them for the mister, and yeah, like I said, not bad. Don't even know if he gonna actually keep them in his collection, because it's like, yeah, it's all right. But you know, this was the right shoe. Let's go to the left shoe. Looks the same that way. You got that red and white throughout the whole shoe. You got that white mesh upper with that patent leather red coming across the whole bottom midsole of the shoes. Going to the bottom of the midsole, you got that white rubber. Then you got that icy midsole with that white Jumpman and the red hints. And then don't let me forget about the carbon fiber, the signature carbon fiber that's on all Jordan 11s. This one is black and red. Rope laces. Inside the shoe, just got that Jumpman symbol. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's a Jordan 11. This is what we got this holiday season from Jordan Brand. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. Did you go for these or did you pass on them? Well, they actually don't come out, I think it's December the 12th. But these, they had a little shot drop when they dropped them early. So I was able to cop on a shot drop, which was like a week ago, which wasn't bad. But overall, like I said, clean shoe. But they do retail for $225. So if you want to pay that high price tag, go $225. That's pretty much what all Jordan 11s are going for now, because the GS sizes are actually $185, and then, you know, it goes down from there. So they do come in full family sizing. But y'all just let me know, y'all going for these holiday season, what you thinking. December 10th is when they come out. Overall, like I said, it's a clean shoe. It's a red and white shoe. You can never go wrong with the red and whites. But me, I was stuck on those lost and found. So now that I got those, I definitely didn't need these, because of course they're both red. I think they're different types of red, but overall just like I said, it's a Jordan 11 and it's clean. So y'all just let me know what y'all think about these. Are you going for them? Are you passing on them? Let me know down in the comments below. But that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. I just wanted to show y'all these Cherry 11s and see what you think about them. I know a lot of people were going for them. I know we had an instance back this summer when Nike got robbed, and these were like the main shooters that got robbed. So we didn't really know what the stock numbers was gonna look like on these, but on this shot drop, the stock numbers was pretty high. So I'm assuming they still have plenty of pairs, and so if you do want these and you wasn't able to get those lost and founds, hey, you still got your chance on these Cherry 11s right here. So overall, like I said, clean shoe, red and white, Cherry 11. So y'all just let me know what y'all thinking. But that's all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.